That is, it is a cross between two parents. So here the two parents which are differing in two pairs of contrasting characters, right? In the monogrammatic cross, we saw about only one character. That is, if you take the height of the stem, that is, if it is a tall plant or a dwarf plant, we took only one character into consideration. But here, Mendel also did some experiments based on that is actually, he took two pairs of contrasting characters. So that is called the dihybrid cross, right? So it is a cross between two parents differing in two pairs of contrasting characters. So Mendel made some dihybrid crosses in pea plant. So even in yesterday we saw why he chose the pea plant, right? So in the pea plant, he also chose two different characters. What are the characters that he chose? One is the shape, that is the round or a wrinkled, right? So he crossed the pea plant with round shape and yellow colored seeds. So he took the two characters, one is the shape and other one is the color of the seed. So round shape and yellow colored seeds with wrinkled shape and green color seeds. So here the round is the dominant character and it is represented as capital letter R, and yellow color is a dominant character and it is represented as capital Y. And wrinkled shape is a recessive character and it is represented as small r, and green color is a recessive character and it is represented as small y. Okay, so he took two characters, so that is the basis for the dihybrid cross. So what he observed, when he observed in the F2 generation, Mendel found that the yellow and the green color, it's segregated in a ratio of 3:1. So already we saw that in the monohybrid cross, the ratio that he obtained was 3:1, right? The same ratio he obtained here. That is 3 yellow and 1 green. And round and wrinkled seed shape also segregated in the ratio of 3:1. So it is almost like a two monohybrid cross, right? So this shows the example of a monohybrid cross between a pure yellow, that is seed, and a pure green seed. So here green is a recessive and yellow is a dominating character. So the gametes are, so the possible gamete is Y, that is a capital letter Y, and here it is small y. So in F1 generation, so when these two gametes, they fuse together to form an hybrid in the F1 generation, which is of hybrid yellow, or it is an heterozygous yellow, right? So on selfing of these F1 plants, that when he crossed these two plants, which are after, that is heterozygous yellow, and in the F2 generation, he got the 3 yellow and 1 green. So in the ratio of 3:1. This is what we saw yesterday, right, in the monohybrid cross. So similarly, he did for the round and the wrinkle in the ratio of 3:1. Okay.